I got a error with the temperature outside. So let's figure out the problem. So the problem is, here is a sensor. It's like this, and it goes. If you trace it, it's one of those wires. Oh, it's also unplugged. That's why it wasn't working. So usually it goes under the bumper, and there is no way that you'll find it. It's supposed to be somewhere right there. I can't even see it. Maybe you'll see in the camera. That's where it's supposed to be to goes to. But I'll fix this like that problem home. So as of right now, it says ABM air temp sensor. Just like this. Now I'll just, what I can do about it, I'll just stick it in a bumper now. So I'll keep it hanging here, and when I'll come home, I'll fix it. But it's way there. It's gonna be a pretty dirty job. It's like right there. Let's start the truck, find out if that's the problem. If I waste $16 or not. But yeah, basically I waste $16. Oh well, what you can do about it. Sometimes it happens. And I just got out of windshield fluid. And what was it? What is the windshield fluid? I forgot. Is it on the other side? It's on the other side. I was driving on a Volvo for about almost 6 years. And freight liner just a little bit different. Just a little bit. Just wait. While you're doing this, think I'm kind of low on antifreeze. I don't know why, but those cups are coming up all the time. I think I'll just glue it or something. All set. And this one just put back in the truck. And you know what to use it for. Yep. So I need to add some check. Let's just double check. Yep. Temperature is going down. We'll just close the hood, check tires, get something to eat, and let's keep rolling. Just like this. Tires look good. Looks good. And this won't have a air line, so not really bothering, but I'll just double check it. Weird. Why they down like right after I release the air? Because my trailer is not doing this, but someone said it's for safety, kind of, so oh well. And if something, the light's supposed to be to come up. Supposed to be. Looks good. Okay, so that was a quick fix of air temperature. I put some windshield washer fluid and let's roll it to Tennessee. Weather is like in and out, good and bad, snowy, icy, sunny, so let's roll it.